5-step action plan for green tea colon cleanse. Hi, I'm Sam, and I really know the feeling of a bad digestion due to a sluggish colon, which results in low energy, headaches, and an overall uncomfortable feeling in the body. And like you, most of the stuff about colon cleanse I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I tried the following 5 steps for green tea colon cleanse and turned them into habits that I started seeing fast improvements with my colon health. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Step number 1. Morning regimen. Green tea is a powerful herb and a great energizer to give your day a healthy start, but it shouldn't be consumed on an empty stomach. Rather, the first thing you should do when you wake up in the morning is to drink a glass of warm water, along with some crushed ginger and lemon juice. This will boost your body's metabolism and will slowly revive the organs back from your good night's sleep and prepare them for the process of cleansing. As breakfast is the most important meal of the day, you should eat something healthy in the morning like fresh fruits, eggs, oatmeal and cereal. You may then consume your share of green tea, which is known as one of the healthiest beverages and is considered to be really beneficial. It works wonders for your colon cleansing. Step number 2. Lunchtime. A lot of people tend to drink green tea immediately after their meals. They don't realize that this can instead hinder the nutrient absorption processes being performed by your body. This results in insufficient absorption of the essential nutrients by the body. Therefore, the best time to have it is 30 to 45 minutes before or after eating. Your lunch should be an ideal balance of different components such as proteins, fibers, sugars and fats. Consuming vegetables like lentils, cauliflowers, black beans and peas in salads, soups or dishes for lunch is a great idea, as these foods are healthy and even contribute to the process of detoxifying the colon, as they themselves are fiber rich. As you know, fiber rich foods are beneficial. Since I have myself experienced the advantages, I highly recommend this to you. Step number 3. Exercise, meditation and breathing. Everyone knows exercise helps your entire body system to work more efficiently. Our digestive system is no different. The combination of exercise and proper nutrition helps to increase our energy, strength and wellness. They enhance the productivity and longevity of the body. There are several exercises that contribute to colon cleansing and healthy functioning of the digestive tract. Crunches, jumping rope and yoga contribute to the overall well-being. Meditation is also an amazing practice which utilizes focused breathing and exercises which are specifically aimed at moderating heart rate, stress in different organs of our bodies. Therefore, green tea and a little exercise can work like a magic potion for your colon. Step number 4. Afternoon tea. The afternoon time is when our body's metabolism is at its highest. Green tea is an amazing antioxidant and supports the digestive system to filter out the toxins and impurities out of the body. Therefore, drinking this cleansing product during this time ensures the proper digestion and activity of the food down to the digestive tract. This time is the best to obtain the maximum health benefits from green tea. Step number 5. Dinner and sleep preparation. So now you are aware about the purifying benefits of this herb, but did you know that adding up this ingredient to your evening routine has additional advantages? Yes, it's true. As throughout the day your body has accumulated all sorts of harmful substances, you need to shed out most of these unwanted toxins from your organs before further build up. So what do? It's easy. Just drink a cup of green tea before dinner. It helps in cleansing your digestive system as it contains laxatives that flush out any toxins. It also prevents bloating of the stomach. At night, new cells are formed that help alleviate constipation and support an easy and soft bowel movements. There you have it. Work all 5 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. But usually something more powerful is required to colon cleanse faster and without preparation of special meals and drinks during your busy days. Luckily, there are some other all-natural but high-powered home treatments out there that can improve your colon health fast and easy. To learn more about a powerful colon cleanse treatment called Bowtroll Colon Cleanser that works fast and super easy from home, just go to coloncleansehelper.com/fast or click on the link in the video description below. By the way, this is just a testimonial from Amber, who is regularly using Bowtroll Colon Cleanser. Just have a quick look what she has to say about her results.
I am constantly feeling bloated, dull, and not really well. But by chance, I stumbled across an ad for Bowtroll, and I tried it right away. I took the pills at night, and by the next morning, I had amazing results.
So as you can see, Bowtroll works great for Amber and many other people. So again, you can get Bowtroll in the link below or go to coloncleansehelper.com/fast. Type that in or click the link in the video description below. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Also, watch one of my other videos to improve your colon health. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any any questions for me, I'm happy to help. I'll see you in the next video.